Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. There were major developments over the past 2 days in the $222 million Insports Fraud Case involving former financial controller Andrew Wright and 5 co-accused. As Keon Rayner reports, 2 of the 3 females involved in the case have been freed, while the 3 remaining male accused, who were previously on bail, have now been remanded until the matter resumes on Monday.
The high-profile case, which has been before the courts for just over a year, centers on allegations of a more than $200 million fraud at the government-run agency Insport, with the investigations dating back to 2017. On Thursday, Shireen Farquharson, one of 3 female defendants, was found not guilty on all charges. That was followed on Friday by the acquittal of another co-accused, Andrea Picton, who was also found not guilty of all 11 charges laid against the group. The 3rd female accused, Johnny Mills, had her bail extended and is scheduled to return to court on Monday. Andrea Picton's attorney, Xavier Leverage, shared his client's reaction following the verdict.
I think bittersweet is a good way to summarize how Miss Picton is feeling right now. Sweet, of course, because we're grateful that she was found not guilty on all 11 counts of the indictment. We are grateful for that. But at the same time, there is some level of displeasure on her part as a result of this experience. Because it was obvious from the jump to all well-thinking persons at least that there's no way Miss Picton could have committed the crimes that she was accused of. Now, while this trial lasted a little bit over a year, the investigation in this matter has been ongoing from 2017. And of course, over this period, my client's name has been dragged through the mud and her reputation has been damaged substantially.
Leverage said that after enduring more than a year of court proceedings, it is now time to begin repairing the damage done to Picton's name.
Now, being found not guilty of a crime that she obviously didn't do, we find that that is not sufficient for her to retrieve her good name. So, of course, the verdict is fresh and we definitely will take some time to digest it. And then after that, we'll look at the options that are available at law to determine what our next steps will be.
Meanwhile, the summation of the case, which began on Wednesday, is expected to conclude early next week, with the judge set to deliver a verdict shortly after. In a significant turn of events, the 3 remaining male accused, Andrew Wright, O'Neill Hope and Rudolph Barnes, who were previously out on bail, have been remanded into custody until the matter resumes on Monday. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sport.